warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sani Agustin, one of the group member from Student Community Service Polisik Pulau Waman Village, as known as in Indonesian Kuliah Kerja Nyata. So, in this video, I will share tips for you guys how to cover your cough and sneeze in the right way. Tips number 1, never cough and sneeze into your hands, like this one. It's an easy way to spread the germs. Tips number 2, making sure cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you cough and sneeze, like this one. And don't forget to put your used tissue in the trash. And the last tip, when you don't have a tissue, cough and sneeze into your upper sleeve elbow, not your hands, like this one. So there are tips for you guys. Please remember to wash your hands frequently and correctly to prevent the spread of germs. Have a nice day, everyone.